name is Scott Gennard. I'm one of the teaching and learning consultants with Trafera. Today, I have the chance to talk to you on this What's Up Wednesday about an awesome new tool on your Chromebooks called Screencast. Now, screencasting might be something that you're very familiar with. There's a ton of apps out there, Screencastify, others that have existed. But what's new is that there's now a native application built into every Chromebook that's beyond, I think, version 103 on their updates. And it is native, built into every one of your students' Chromebooks. And I absolutely love it. I love it for a few reasons. It's simple, it's awesome, and I'm going to go over some of the key features of it today. So what you'll do is you'll just go in, down into your menu to open up your apps, and there it is, Screencast. And as you can see, I've got several here, but it does some awesome stuff. So one of the first things it does is, again, simplicity. It also has this really cool pen feature where I can just go and I can highlight, I can feature different elements, draw, do some Khan Academy applications, things like that, work through the problems as I go along. Inside, I can have different colors, super easy to just kind of have that as I go, articulating different options. And then when I'm done, I'll just click the button and they go away. Super cool program. The other thing, and this is a real game changer, especially for some of our students who maybe need a little additional layer of support. As a former special education teacher, I'm so cognizant of that. So what we can do is I can open up a screencast that's been shared, and it has these great transcripts. Now, there's a few things that I really love about these transcripts. Now, for one, my students can take this and they can go through, and as they're going, they can we'll just scrub through and it'll actually change. And they can click on a transcript and it'll take them to that section of the video. The other thing that's super cool is if there's a section that I want to adjust, I can just say, skip section. It'll actually take that chunk out of the video, automatically editing it down. Super easy, which I love. If I want to undo, I just bring it back. You can also edit the text. So if I want to edit and say, okay, I'm going to take this and it didn't quite get this right, so I'm going to just add a couple things here. It can be done. Super easy. Just like that, I can save it and it's adjusted to meet my needs. The other thing that's cool is I can move things around. I can make my little image in the corner small or big. I can move it over here, or over here, whatever I want. And it's just kind of this super easy way of interacting with your students. They can even look up keywords. So if there's something in here like highlight, they can kind of look through, and again, for review purposes of the material that I want to go over, super handy for those students that need that to just kind of work that. Now, when my video is done and I want to send it off, all I have to do is hit share. I'm going to name this. Screencast Review. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to say share with others, and there's my link. I can copy this link. I can share it into my Google Classroom, email it out, any LMS, Canva, whatever I have for my students. I absolutely love this because of, like I said, the simplistic nature. Even for the students that need a little extra support, they can take this, they can transcribe it using Google Translate into other languages, and just a ton of really useful resources. I highly encourage you to check this out. And check this out, which is awesome. When you open it, you can actually have a feature tour from Google that kind of shows you all those things. And it even gives you a getting started resource right here to kind of show you how to use the transcript. Schools, marker, sharing, all the stuff that we went over. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this What's Up Wednesday, where I get to show you this cool new feature from Google that I'm super stoked about. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us know how we can support. As always, have a wonderful day, and thanks for joining.